Embrace tradition. Terra cotta has been used since ancient Rome to cook food, making this garlic baker a beautiful classic touch to any kitchen. Get your garlic perfect, every time. This dish is ideal for all your garlic cooking needs. Season, bake, shake, serve, roast. You name it, this baker's got you covered. Convenient and cute. This piece is safe for use in both convection and microwave ovens, meaning it's ideal for any lifestyle. Not to mention the adorable garlic-shaped handle on top. Easy to clean. Simply wash by hand and set to dry so that its quality will be preserved and so that it may serve you well for years to come. Measurements. This dish weighs 2 pounds and has dimensions 7 by 7 by 4.25 inches. More times than not, roasted garlic is just what you need to liven up a dish. Perfect for baking, serving and storing your go-to flavor enhancers. This smaller garlic baker is crafted of attractive terra cotta with a fitting garlic-shaped handle. The garlic baker is designed with a glazed bottom and a porous, unglazed lid to bake the garlic until it has caramelized, without drying it out. Add the mouthwatering taste of roasted garlic to your soups, sides, sauces, pizzas, toppings and more. This baker is an essential for all garlic lovers and provides an easy way to get the results you love and desire. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent way to eat more garlic. I have the one that is flatter of the two on the picture. It fits 3 to 5 bulbs with tops cropped off, depending on the bulb size. I add olive oil to the bottom, and baste a couple of times through the cooking process. Fantastic results, and I am glad this one bakes more than just one bulb. It is easy to wash. I do not put it in dishwasher, just a quick soak, and everything comes off nicely. Enjoy it, too. The price is quite fair for the great working and attractive product.